Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix reset Instagram algorithm option not showing on your Instagram app. So I'm going to go to settings right over here, and then I'm going to scroll down and go to content preference. So as you can see in content preference, I only have sensitive content and none of the other options are showing in the Instagram app. So this can happen mainly due to Instagram not releasing this feature in your country. However, if Instagram has released the feature and you still haven't got it, then it can be due to a bug in your application. So let me head to settings. And then we're going to go to general. From here, we're going to go to iPhone storage. And then we're going to scroll down and find Instagram here. So here's Instagram. Now from here, you can simply offload the app. And if your app has any bug, then it will be fixed. Now after offloading the app, when you reinstall the application from here, then if your application had any bug or problem, it would be solved. But sometimes the issue can be with the application data itself. So the safest way is to delete the entire app and then reinstall the application again. So let's just go ahead and delete the Instagram application. So I'm going to select Instagram, cancel download, remove app. You can delete Instagram like this, and then you can go to the App Store and download Instagram again. So I'm going to skip the whole Instagram. So we're going to click on search for Instagram. And there we have it. We can just click here and Instagram will start to install. However, it will take some time to install the application and to log me in. So I'm going to skip that entire process and then I'll go to the main point. So as you can see, now in my Instagram settings, if I scroll down and then go to content preference, I will find the option called reset suggested content. And if I click this reset suggested content, then my Instagram algorithm will be reset. Now, if you're using an Android device, the process might be a little different. So let me go to my Android device and demonstrate the process to you. Now, as you can see, I'm here on my Android device, and if I click on the settings, and then scroll down, go to content preference, you'll be able to see that I have reset suggested content available. However, if this option is not available to you, you can just simply uninstall Instagram. And then you can simply install the Instagram again from the Play Store. So I'll go to the Play Store and install Instagram again. Now in this way, if your Instagram application had any bug or anything, then it would be resolved. However, if your problem still persists, you can try by changing your location. So you can install many VPN in the App Store or Play Store to change your location. So let me suggest you a VPN which you can use to change your location. You can simply install the Surfshark VPN from the Google Play Store, or you can also find it on the App Store on your iOS device. Now you can change your location using this VPN, and you can get the Instagram feature if it's not available in your country. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.